2019 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It delivers power and performance, along with tons of features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. This is a top-rated dealer. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.